Welcome or welcome back to another practice. Just take a moment to settle in. This practice is designed to help you begin your day with simplicity, quiet, and warmth. So find a comfortable, spine-safe position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or on a chair. Just wherever you are, root down your sitting bones firmly into the ground, allowing yourself to feel really heavy. Find a tall spine where it doesn't feel strained or rigid. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Soften your shoulders away from the ears, feeling tension melt and dissolve away. Rest your hands gently on your thighs or on your knees. Soften the belly, unclench the jaw, and gently close your eyes. Just take a moment wherever you are to simply arrive into this moment. How does it feel to be here? How do you feel? And now bring to mind one word that captures how you want this day to feel. Don't search for it. Just let the first word that bubbles up be the one. And let it sit quietly within your breath. And maybe, if it feels right, of course, challenge yourself to return here every morning for a week, as a form of devotion to this intention. And let's now get into the breathwork practice. Please check the screen for some contraindications before practicing. So each round follows the same rhythm. Short, steady breaths. Inhales through the nose into the belly and exhales through softly pursed lips while gently drawing the belly in, like blowing out a candle. And when the pumps are done, take a soft inhale about 3/4 full and hold it gently without pushing. And when it feels right, release that slowly with control. And then we'll rest in stillness before the next round. And there'll be 3 rounds. If you feel overwhelmed by the instructions, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. So let's get into round 1, 30 pumps. Deep inhale in through the nose and exhale fully to prepare. And now inhale into the belly through the nose and exhale, blow out the candle and speed it up. Five more. Now inhale 3/4 of the way in and hold the breath gently. Quiet retention for 30 seconds, or to a comfortable limit. And release the breath slowly with control through the nose. If you feel any strain or tight pressure, please release sooner. Don't push. And let's now rest in silence for a moment while breathing naturally. Feel the presence of a candle resting at the base of your spine. And with every natural breath, feel this flame grow slightly brighter and bigger, warming your entire body from within. And on to round 2, 40 pumps. So deep inhale in, all the way in, and exhale fully to prepare. And begin. Five more. Now inhale 3/4 of the way in and hold the breath gently. Quiet retention for 45 seconds or to your comfortable edge. And release the retention slowly and mindfully through the nose. And rest in silence, feeling the presence of that candle again at the base of your spine, growing with warmth through each natural inhale. And on to our final round, 50 pumps. So deep inhale in through the nose to prepare, and exhale through the nose fully to prepare. And begin. Five more. Now inhale 3/4 of the way in and hold for about 60 seconds, or until it feels right for you. And release gently and with control. If you cannot release smoothly, that's a sign that you've held for too long, so just know that for next time. Now allow yourself to breathe naturally and return to comfort, feeling the presence of that warm, flickering flame again. And let its gentle heat spread slowly up your spine. And absorb its silence. And on your next exhale, just let the imagery dissolve and allow this simple practice to land. Notice the silence present around you this morning, the way it holds you. When you're ready, start to slowly move your body with the eyes closed, nourishing the joints, maybe doing semicircles with your head from ear to ear to wake up the neck. Feel every micro movement. Maybe come back to center to start rolling your shoulders back. And forward. Maybe move intuitively for a moment. What is your body craving? What joint needs nourishing in this moment? Now lift your arms overhead as you breathe deeply into the belly. And exhale, bring them back down slowly. And place your palms over your heart and feel the warmth of your palms for a moment, just observing. And come back to your intention from the beginning. Let it settle back into your body, back into your breath, and into your morning. One final deep breath in through the nose and a cleansing breath out through the mouth. Sigh it out. And bow your head slightly towards your heart, a gesture of gratitude for taking this quiet time for yourself. And when you're ready, slowly blink your eyes open, grounding back into this space. Thank you so much for joining me in this really sweet morning ritual. And if you can, try to return to it each morning this week and notice if it changes the tone of your days. If you'd like to support this work, I've set up a Ko-fi page. There is no pressure at all, but that is the place you can send a tip if you do feel the call. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like, leaving a comment, letting me know how you feel, subscribing for more soothing Sunday sessions. It can be a lovely way to end and start your week feeling a little more refreshed. And consider sharing with a friend who might need a little extra TLC today. Follow me on my new Instagram page for shorter practice ideas. And I'll see you next Sunday for another soothing practice. Until then, take it slow. Bye guys.